Rebates and tax credits. What's the real deal? I either hear from customers that they fear they've missed out on all of the rebates and tax credits are gone, or I see advertisements in the coupon clipper for $1,500 cashback rebate on your solar installation, or we've all seen the Facebook ads that say free solar panel installation for California homeowners, or new program from the governor offers free solar panels to homeowners. The current incentive available actually for solar panels is a federal tax credit. And through the end of 2020 on systems installed, it's 26% of the total cost. And in 2021, it's 22% of the total cost, barring any changes that the new Congress might make after the election. But look, that takes a significant portion off of the total installation price. And then most people end up financing the rest. And that finance payment ends up being 30 to 50% less than they were already paying for solar energy. So again, the cost to switch is zero, and most people end up with more money in their pocket from the get-go, taking advantage of those rebates. Now, if you add batteries, and take a look at our video that addresses whether or not batteries may be right for you, because in many cases they are a backup system more than energy savings. But look, a lot of folks live in high wind areas that have been affected by multiple public safety power outages. And in addition to the normal self-generation incentive program, the SGIP rebate from the state of California, those homeowners are eligible for additional funds, and in some cases, free batteries altogether because of those frequent outages. So contact a professional solar consultant, and they can walk you through the eligibility for potential SGIP rebates and talk to your tax provider whether you'd be eligible for the tax credit. And basically, a tax credit's different from a deduction. We don't give tax advice, but a rule of thumb that you can run by your tax provider is if you pay taxes, you're eligible for a tax credit. But again, check with your tax provider, and we'll find out how much of an incentive you can get to switch from being strictly a power consumer to a power producer and a power creator.